we have a certain sum of money is invested at a rate of 5% per annum compounded interest. The interest compounded annually. The interest is compounded annually. If the difference between the interest of the third year and the first year is rupees 102.5, find the sum. So we have to find the principal if we are given the interest for the third year minus the interest for the first year is rupees 102.50. So what we can do right now is that we can write the interest for third year and the interest of first year in terms of the principal. If we could do that, we could subtract both of those and equate them with 102.50. With this, we can find out the value of x or the principal. So how do we do that? We write down interest for the first year is equal to, so as we all know that the interest for the first year, the compound interest and the simple interest are equal. So I will write it in form of simple interest, which is P into R into T upon 100. So in which we have principal we have to find, let's take it as x, rate is 5%, time is 1 upon 100. So this is equal to 5x upon 100, or we have x upon 20. So this is the interest for first year. So now we have to find out the interest for the third year. The interest for the third year, if you all remember, is equal to the amount of the third year after the third year minus the amount after the second year. So interest for third year is equal to amount after third year minus the amount after second year. So how do we write the amount after third year? We have a formula which says A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. Am I right? So according to this formula, the interest for third year comes out to be amount after third year, which is P principal we have to find, that is x. We have 1 plus R is 5 upon 100 raised to power 3. Am I right? What is the amount for second year? That is x into 1 plus 5 upon 100, and the only term that changes is the n, that is 2 now. So this is the interest for the third year. So how do we write it now? We take x common and we take x common and we take 1 plus 5 raised to 5 upon 100 raised to power 2 common. So what do we get here is 1 plus 5 upon 100, right, minus 1. This is what we get. So solving this equation, we get x into 21 by 20 square into 21 by 20 minus 1, which comes out to be 1 upon 20. So we get this, and from this we get this value equal to so the interest for the third year is equal to 441x upon 8,000. So if this is the interest for the third year and we have the interest for the first year over here, we can equate both these and we can write that interest after third year minus the interest after first year is equal to 102.50. Am I right? So we have 441x upon 8000 minus x upon 20 is equal to 102.50. We can write it as 205 upon 2, right? So solving this, we get 441x minus 400x upon 8000 is equal to 205 upon 2. So we get 41x upon 8000 is equal to 205 by 2. So how do we get x from here? X is equal to 205 divided by 2 multiplied by 8000 upon 41. If you guys will solve this equation, you will get the value of x is equal to rupees 20,000. So for a sum of rupees 20,000, the difference between the interest for the third year and the interest for the first year is rupees 102.50.